In prime time news this evening, Finance Minister breaks his silence on the salary delay in the public sector. A second chance, authorities to engage displaced raftsmen about the way forward, and later renewed monkeypox concerns.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview with what's to come in the business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, a little later on in the financial week, we're going to give you the details on what's happening with the economy. In fact, economic growth for the fourth quarter exceeded initial projections. Stay with us. I'll tell you the details later.
All right, thanks, Javon. And it's the penultimate day for champs. Our sports reporter, Giovanni Dennis, he's here to give us a preview. Giovanni?
Thanks so much, Herman. Well, unprecedented officials at Champs moved to ban Kingston College athlete for what they say is unsportsmanlike behavior. I'll have the details of that, plus all the other happenings on the penultimate day of boys and girls track and field championships.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your predictions for the top schools in the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.